This is the first job link that we have, which is on mobile testing. Like you need to test Android and iOS, right? So they want someone with a good reverse engineering and dynamic analysis, API security, web app, pen testing, security tools, analytics, and you should have minimum 3 years experience, right? Then all you can do, and this is a mail ID, HR ID at securitylit.com, right? Where you can apply. So just read out all these things. If you feel like you are you can do, then you can apply. Next one is Elitra. So just check if this company is good or security analyst and implementation consultant is the position for what they are looking for. Mail ID is hr@, um, electrasecurity.com. So you may scan this URL to get exactly what exactly they are looking for, right? And if you want to apply, then only. Someone is looking for a cybersecurity expert, जिसको networking and coding का knowledge हो. If you can speak Arabic, then this job is for you. This is the mail ID, info@cybernet.ae. Next is cybersecurity SOC L1 SOC lead manager. Okay, so they want someone who can work as a SOC analyst, right? They want minimum 2 to 4 years of experience for L1, and they want around 10 to 14 years of experience for SOC lead or SOC manager, right? So just check out this mail ID hr@cybernext.com and just keep in the subject line what exactly role you're looking for. Next one is vulnerability management as business analyst analytics, right? So someone, if you can work for this role, this is a remote job, okay, and mm, you need to work for, you should have bachelor degree, CISSP or CH or computer security plus will be a plus point. Rapid 7 Insight VM MS Defender enable just IO knowledge तो होना चाहिए भाई. And mail ID is krishna.ms at kanandcorp.com, right? That's all for today, guys. If you have any questions, please ask.